to a sneak peek of WordPress 5.9. We're excited to share some of the highlights coming to the next release of WordPress. The 5.9 release marks the introduction of a next generation of themes that allows greater customization and simpler building. Themes can now be created entirely with blocks, meaning you get all the familiar editing tools and the same blocks you use when creating posts and pages to allow you to edit all parts of your site, including your header and footer. All the templates from the theme can be edited using the block editor, like the homepage, your blog archive, or single pages. Want to zoom in on just your header? Easy. Using the top toolbar, select your header and switch into a dedicated mode to do exactly that. Once there, you can explore the new navigation block that comes with built-in responsive and keyboard accessible options. With over 30 theme blocks, the ability to customize and create every part of your site has never been easier. Improvements to the user experience are also coming to WordPress 5.9 to help you better take advantage of these new possibilities. List View alone has several improvements, including being able to rely on the familiar experience of drag and drop to place your content exactly where you want it. Improve your workflow with more complex content thanks to the ability to collapse sections of the list view and add HTML anchors to your blocks to be able to see them at a glance. Let's take a look at styles. Styles introduce a quick and intuitive way to change all the visual elements of your site globally, from typography to colors to various aspects of how blocks appear. All of this allows you to achieve distinct looks by modifying the style presets. Here's an example from the 2022 theme, showing how drastically different the theme can be with tweaks to the styling options. Patterns can be used to create different sections like headers and footers. In a few clicks, you can make a brand new header without changing your theme. Open the inserter, switch to the Patterns tab, and select Explore to see what's available. All these new features help you get where you want to go faster, whether it's writing new posts or building out a landing page. To support all these updates, the interface of blocks continues to improve with new design tools. These powerful tools allow you to get your content just right. More typography controls are also available, allowing you to intuitively add subtle changes to make your content more visually interesting. These tools can also be used to arrange a buttons block horizontally or vertically, depending upon the look you're trying to achieve. If you can't make up your mind now, it's simple to change. Controls have also been added to the feature image block to allow you to quickly set the size and scale of your image with ease to make an important part of your content really shine. Border support has been added to unlock new creative possibilities for your content. With just a few combinations of the settings you can see here, you can create vastly different layouts from a simple border to more nuanced and radical options. It's amazing what can happen when a few tools come together. Image filters like duotone can be used in even more places, like the featured image block. It's a great way to bring character to your photos. With more design options, more blocks, more patterns, and more tools to edit even more parts of your site, we can't wait to see what you create with WordPress 5.9.